In July 2022, the tranquil waters of the Apple River were shattered by a series of events that would later unfold into a gripping courtroom drama. Nikolai Miu, initially captured on surveillance footage, immersed in a leisurely snorkeling expedition, soon became embroiled in a violent altercation with a group of tubers. Prosecutor Carl Anderson's opening statement painted a vivid picture of the tragedy, stating, "All Nikolai had to do was walk away." He eventually did walk away, but not after stabbing 5 people. Anderson's words underscored the gravity of the situation and set the tone for the prosecution's case against Miu. Throughout the trial, witness testimonies provided insight into the chaotic events that transpired on that fateful day. Ryan Nelson, a witness called by the prosecution, recounted the moment when tensions escalated, stating, "It looked like he struck her definitively with his right hand." Nelson's testimony offered a first-hand account of the violence that erupted on the Apple River. In contrast, defense attorney Aaron Nelson crafted a narrative of self-defense, portraying Miu as a victim pushed to the brink by a hostile group of individuals who, at some point, even pushed him into the water violently. Nelson emphasized Miu's vulnerability, stating, "Nick Miu standing in the river with 13 strangers. 13 drunk, angry strangers. 13 against 1. Nelson's words highlighted the sense of isolation and fear that Miu allegedly experienced during the confrontation. Some may say it is not uncommon to act in an uncontrollable rage after being heckled by a lot of people and even strangled by one of them, who sadly then lost his life during the altercation. As the trial unfolded, emotional testimonies and compelling evidence provided a window into the chaos and tragedy that unfolded on the Apple River that day. The courtroom became a battleground of competing narratives, with each side presenting its version of events in an effort to sway the jury. Ultimately, the jury delivered a verdict, finding Miu guilty of multiple charges, albeit of a lesser degree than initially charged. The verdict brought a measure of closure to the legal proceedings, yet the reverberations of the tragedy continue to be felt. Donnie Hernandez, the father of Isaac Schumann, expressed a sense of relief following the verdict, stating, "It's been 21 months we've been waiting for justice for Isaac Michael Schumann, and we got it today." As the community grapples with the aftermath, questions linger about accountability, justice, and the enduring scars left by that tragic day on the Apple River. Was the verdict fair? While some find justice in it, others disagree and find the teens culpable as well. Either way, human loss is always painful, and the world would be a better place if we would learn to live in harmony.